Hey everyone, Rex here again, back at it with more math questions. I'm in the red book, test 3, problem number 28. So what I want you to do first is pause this video, go in the red book to test 3, number 28. Read through this question, then press play. Fantastic, here we go. So we are in another word problem. There's so many on this test, I know. I'm going to use the word problem strategy, and I like to draw a picture for this question. They're asking you about two triangles, but they don't actually draw them for you. I think if it helps you to visualize what you're looking for here, go ahead and try to draw a picture in step 2 of the word problem strategy. Again, word problems are not your thing, and our strategy isn't even helping you go any faster. This could be something you skip in the survey portion and do in sweep 2, the work section. But if you're getting the hang of the word problem strategy and you want to use it and you're getting a little faster at it, the math in here is not that hard. It's stuff we review all the time. You can definitely do this in the survey section and not waste too much time. But without further ado, let's dive into our three steps of the word problem strategy. Step 1 is, what are we trying to find? For this question, we are trying to find the perimeter of the larger triangle. Now we have to ask in step 2, what do we already know? We know that the two similar triangles, meaning they have the same angles, but not the same lengths of their side. And they are at a proportion of 3 to 5. The smaller one would be 3 and the larger of 5. Now, here's where I drew a picture of the smaller triangle and the larger. The three sides, we are told, are 3, 5, and 7 on the smaller triangle, giving us a perimeter of 15. We are not given any of the sides here on the larger triangle. But it's similar to other questions when we're looking for the missing side of a triangle. We are going to be in step 3 using proportions. But this time we have nothing to go off of on the larger triangle. What we have to use instead is this ratio, 3 to 5. What we're going to need to use. Here's how I set up my proportion. And with this proportion, I'm going to use cross multiplication. So I know my proportion is the smaller triangle can be represented by 3 over 5. That is the number representing in this ratio the larger triangle. This is equal to not the individual sides, but the entire perimeter. I know that the smaller triangle has a perimeter of 15. It's the perimeter of the larger triangle we don't know that we're trying to find. And look at that. By using the ratio and one of the perimeters, we have enough to cross multiply and solve for x. So let's go ahead and do that. On one side of the equation, as I cross multiply, I'm going to end up with 3x. On the other side, we have to take 15 times 5. Put that in your calculator, and you will find that it is 75. Now, I need to divide both sides by 3, and you will find that x equals 25. The perimeter around the larger triangle is 25. That is letter answer J. Great job.